Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today we have come up with another healthy recipe. It is broccoli fries and that too in air fryer. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So for this recipe, I've taken 2 medium-sized broccolis. This I have washed and disinfected. To disinfect, please put this in turmeric and salt water solution for some time and then drain it. Now cut these broccolis into small florets and transfer the broccoli florets into a bowl. Add hot water into this bowl and allow it to blanch for about 5 minutes. Broccoli is high in vitamin C. It boosts immune system and promotes collagen production. It also aids in wound healing and iron absorption. Broccoli is a good calcium source. It is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis in women. It also contains vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Considering the health benefits, you should definitely include broccoli in your diet. Generally, everyone is fussy about eating broccoli, but after trying this recipe, everyone in the house will come asking for more. Please do not skip the video and watch till the end so that you do not miss on the tips and tricks. Also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on notification whenever a new video is posted on this YouTube channel. So now we have kept the blanched broccoli aside. Now into a bowl, add in 100 grams of thick curd or hung curd, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Please note there is a difference between tablespoon and teaspoon. Then 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan. This will give a nice binding and coating for the marination. Then add in 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Here I've also taken 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, which I freshly roasted, and gently crush it between your palms and add it to the marination. Now add salt as required. Next I'm adding in 1 cube of mozzarella cheese. This is optional, but it will give nice cheesy flavor to your broccoli fries. Gently grate it and add it to the marination mix. Now mix this really well. To this marination mix, we shall add the blanched broccolis. Mix them really well so that the marination mix coats each broccoli floret. To all those who have not watched the other air fry recipes posted on this YouTube channel, I will be sharing the link on the description box below. Kindly to watch them and do try those healthy recipes. If time permits, please do come back and share your reviews in the comment section below. If you want, you can place this marination mix aside for about 15 minutes or you can instantly air fry them. Now I am taking the air frying basket and placing the broccoli marinated florets into this basket. Air fry these broccoli florets for about 15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, gently flip them so that they crisp evenly. So our crispy, tasty and at the same time nutritious broccoli fries are ready. Do try them and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.